Ever wondered how to transform simple clips into a captivating story? Welcome to the world of video editing, where raw footage meets creativity to produce compelling narratives. The journey begins with the first step, understanding your footage. Knowing what you're working with is vital. It's like a chef knowing the ingredients before cooking a dish. Watch your footage repeatedly, take notes, and identify the best shots. This is where your creativity starts to kick in. Next, it's time to organize your clips. Just as an author outlines a book, the video editor sequences the clips. Start by creating a rough cut. This involves arranging your clips in a loose order to get an idea of how your story will flow. Now, it's time to fine-tune the rough cut into a story. This is where the magic happens. This process is known as the final cut. Here, you'll trim the excess, add transitions, and ensure your clips flow seamlessly from one to the next. Music and sound effects are the secret ingredients that breathe life into your video. They set the mood, build tension, and can even guide the viewer's emotions. Use them wisely, and remember, sometimes silence can be just as impactful. Graphics and text can also add a whole new dimension to your video. They can provide context, emphasize a point, or simply add a splash of visual interest. But like all good things, they should be used in moderation. Color correction and grading is the cherry on top. It can transform a dull, lifeless clip into a vibrant, cinematic experience. It's like applying a filter to your video, but with far more control and precision. To wrap it up, remember that video editing is an art. It requires patience, creativity, and a keen eye for detail. It's about understanding your footage, organizing your clips, crafting a story, and using music, sound effects, graphics, and color to bring your vision to life. So, the next time you're staring at a pile of raw footage, remember these techniques. You're not just an editor, you're a storyteller. And with these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to tell a story that captivates, inspires, and entertains. Now go create your masterpiece.